Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your XIAOMI Poco X3, let's go for the tools folder. After that we have to tap on the recorder, accept the permission, and if you want to start the record you have to tap right here. Tap that we got it, and as you can see right now smartphone starts recording sounds. When you want to finish you have to click right here. We can rename our record, and let's check the quality of the record. So I'm really surprised because the quality is really good, and I think it's really good microphone in this smartphone. Let's listen one more time. Yeah, it's really cool. Sounds it's really clear and without any noises. So pretty good job, XIAOMI. You did it. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.